Greeting, this is Mark Brown. Welcome to Mastering the Basic of Excel, Part 4. So in Part 3, we actually look how to add pie chart, column, and calculate figure. So now we're actually in 4. So what you're going to be looking at in 4 is also freeze the column and row. Yes, freezing a column and row, that means that Excel can have a whole lot of data inside of it. And sometimes very difficult. So I'll show you how to freeze the row and the column, how to link Excel to Microsoft document, how to put a border around figures, how to add conditional format right here, and so how to shift down cell, how to delete a column and a row. Right, so this is exactly what we're going to actually look at. Right, so we want to bring back our spreadsheet right here. So we're going to freeze. All right, if you notice this particular row here, you can come right here to click to freeze. All right, so we're going to freeze this particular row here. So notice actually click this particular row here, highlight this entire row here. So what we wanted to do, right, you want to come right up here and click on word view. Then you click on view, you notice you're going to come right away. Notice there's a freeze pane. So if I click right here, you notice the freeze means keep row and column visible while the rest of the sheet scroll. Right here, you can say top row and so freeze first column. So top row, so if I click on top row, you notice right up here. Alright, so what I want to do, I'm gonna scroll down to make you see exactly what it is. Right, so if I come like that and I scroll up, right, you notice row still don't move up here. Alright, I can actually see it. Alright, so very important right there. Alright, so now we actually see that. Now we come right back up here. It's an unfreeze. Alright, so what we want to be looking at now is looking at the column. So we're going to click right here, the column. We're going to come right here and click again, and there's a first column. You click on that. Right, so what we wanted to do now, we're going to navigate. Right, so we're going to put the cursor right here. We're going to go to the right. You notice watch traveling all the way to the right. You notice you still see the column just the same. Right, you know, so navigate right here. You notice you still seeing this one. And if I come back like that, you notice, there you go. So you can go right back up again, and there's the unfreeze right here. They unfreeze it. Alright, so the next thing I want to look on how to link the Excel to the Microsoft Word document. Alright, so what I wanted to do definitely is come right here. So what I wanted to do, I want to block everything like this. When you block everything like that, definitely what I want to do is right click, and then we're going to click on the word copy. When you click on the word copy, right, I'm going to open a Microsoft Word document right here. Notice I have it right in the taskbar, so I'm going to click it. No, this is publisher. Let me look for the Microsoft Word. So when the Microsoft Word come up, this is what we're going to do, is to select a blank. When we select a blank, what we can do next, right, definitely, let's click on home. You can notice right here is a paste option. So we're going to click right here. Notice, right here is a default paste. We're going to look at paste option right here. Now we're going to take us right here. So we're going to click right here as a link. And then we click right up here, Excel. Right, and then here we're going to say okay. So you notice okay, notice actually link to the sheet. But if you notice everything is there on the sheet, I'm going to make some changes within the spreadsheet, and then you're going to see exactly how the figure change right here. So I want to come right here. So I want to save this word document right here. Right. So I can just say sheet, just write sheet right there. I want to save it on the desktop to ensure. Right, and then I'm gonna click just like that. I'm gonna close it. So I'm going to go right back to my spreadsheet now. Right, I'm going to press the escape key to take off this right here. So what I wanted to do, definitely, I want to add some more right here. So I want to put some more like that. And notice it actually add this figure right there just the same. Right, gonna go down. Right, just the same. Right, this format just the same. Good. So if you notice, I add an extra row right here in G. Right, I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to look for the Microsoft Word. If you notice, this is the Microsoft one that says sheet. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to open it. If you notice it right away, it said this document contains a link that may refer to another file. Do you want to update it? Right, you notice it say yes, I say no. I'm going to click on yes. All right, click on yes. Right, if you notice, there's another figure right here. Right, so I'm going to close it. Right, ask me to save. All right, now we're going to bring up the spreadsheet now. I'm going to do something in the spreadsheet. So far, so we're going to just click right here, and then we're going to block everything just like that. So what I want to do is to come right here and click on insert, not insert all. Alright, I'm going to put stable style, conditional comma right here. Alright, look at that. Alright, let me show this one right here. You notice? Click like that. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to open the Microsoft Word document just like that. I'm going to open it. So as soon as I open it, you notice it tell me the same thing. So I'm going to click on OK. Notice it actually change in the Microsoft Word. So anything that you change that they make to the Excel, it actually change in the Microsoft Word document here. Very important there. So the next thing that I wanted to look at is how to put border around figures. Right? So I want to put border now around the figures. So for instance, I want to put border around these figures. So I want to come like this, block it. Just like that. Yes, it's very important. We're going to do that. So if you notice, actually click on home. If you notice the font, alright, you notice it look like a window. You're going to click right here. Notice it tell about border right here. Outside border, right? Inside border, all border, just the same. Right, so I'm going to click that one. All right, I'm going to go up again and click this one. Right, if you notice, good. This is border on the figure, just like that. Right, the next thing that I want to look at is how to add conditional formatting. Right, so click here. So we're going to come like that. All right, right here, come like this. Right up here, it says style conditional format. You notice you come right here, it's lesser than, between, or right here. Can top 10, or you can come right here the bar. Notice you can put the cursor there, notice it change, the eye the figure. But if I come right here, so you do actually the same thing color. But if I come right here, so to the icon, notice show a different type of icon right here. Alright, and if I come right here, the icon, notice very different stuff right here, just like that. Good, you can actually do that with it. Phone, just like that. You can actually do the conditional format thing, yes. So how to shift cell down. So we're going to look at how to shift cell down. Alright, if you want to shift the cell down in between items, you put it right here. So when you click it right there, you want to right click. When I right click, notice it's an insert, you're going to click on insert. You notice right here it says shift cell right. Right, if you notice the shift cell down, right, and enter a row, so we're going to say shift cell down, and then you're going to click OK right here. You notice it shift the cell down, so nothing is in this particular cell here. Right, so very important. So that's exactly what you can actually do if you find that you actually make a mistake with it so far. Right, it's how to delete a column and a row. All right, we're going to delete a column and a row. All right, so what I wanted to do, we're going to click right here on this particular right here. We're going to delete the row. You notice I highlight the row, so I'm going to right click. Notice it's a delete, so you click on delete. You notice row gone. All right, so I want this particular column here. Click right here on the column, and then we're going to right click. You notice it's a delete right here. You notice this column gone. So that's exactly how you delete a row on a column. All right, so just come right here, click, just right click, and then click on delete, and there you go. You want this particular row, you click right here on the row, like that, you right click, represent delete, there you go. There is no row so far. So that's exactly how we actually delete row here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.